Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and hope you're having a great start of this week. And welcome to this new video on Solana. We're going to do a full update on the technicals, long-term, short-term, and fundamentally as well, so that at the end of the video, hopefully you have a good enough idea of where Solana is going and what to expect from it. And excuse my distractedness, but I almost had to sneeze. Well, keeping it in. But alright, so we're going to do a full update. In general, I believe I did a video on Solana yesterday as well. I mean, I tried to keep you updated on Solana quite a bit, so if you're interested in Solana, the coin, then consider subscribing as well. No, I covered Solana 2 days ago. So yeah, but back then we also, so that was on Saturday, so the price was right here, and back then I also said I expect us to move down into the support level at 125, 116 maybe. That's the main support level. That was also the last support level we had, as you can see, when we were ranging between April and September. So that is the support level we're at right now, and the big question for Solana is, well, can we actually hold this support level? Is it strong enough to provide us with enough bullish momentum to move back up to the top of the range and actually confirm the range again? Because that would be ideal. I mean, believe it or not, I mean, obviously it would have been better if Solana was holding 180 and 170, but right now with the current sentiment in the markets, and if you combine that with the sentiment that Solana specifically has, which is not great, and you combine it with the fundamentals, I mean, the DEX trading volumes the 8th of March dropped down to $1.1 billion, which is ridiculously low, or at least when you take a look at the last year. The last time we had volume like that is back in October. Like the beginning of October even. So fundamentally Solana is just not doing great. However, I do have some good news, and that is that I do think, first of all, that the support level we're at right now technically is super strong. I mean, you can go back into time, and I should have shown you this before, but you can see that there's that this level has been defended very, very well, and we even dropped down to potentially the next support level right here at 116. So that's great. Can we drop down lower? Certainly, and there's a lot of liquidity at around $100 and $85 as well. But for now, one of the most bullish things about Solana, or at least one of the key reasons why I think this could be a bottom, is just because I think the market has actually bottomed out. And you can see it for Solana as well if you zoom into the 1 hour time frame here. Like this last liquidation spike we had overnight, you can actually see that was a bullish divergence with the RSI. So we actually have that. After that, you can actually see some leverage coming back into the price as well. So that's at least a sign that risk on people are willing to jump back in. And then at least for Bitcoin, because for Solana it's different. We actually had a pretty big liquidation spike overnight. But at least for Bitcoin, you can actually see that the volume with each drop became lower. So Bitcoin has formed a solid bottom, and most of the coins, including Solana, are still correlated to Bitcoin. Solana is correlated for about 81.4% to Bitcoin. But therefore, I do think this is the bottom. Now, would I personally buy Solana? No. All right, because like Solana at this point of time is looking very, very similar to XRP. All right, and then when you compare Solana and XRP in terms of strength, XRP just wins. All right, so that's my personal opinion. If you like Solana a lot, what I would do is keep a price alert at 127. All right, 127 is a very important key level here, and if we're able to also reclaim that with volume, then that would be my buy signal. All right, and then from there we can actually expect some more bullish momentum. But as long as Solana is still relatively weak, which it is, and as long as we have not broken above 126, I would not trade this. I would not buy this. I would stay away from that. But those are my thoughts. All right. Ultimately, like I said, I do think this is the bottom, and I do think this is most likely. I would just wait for the confirmation before acting upon it, and also implement your own analysis. But that's obviously up to you. I mean, for now, I think that's at least what you need to know regarding Solana. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.